Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my my update on my Rolling Perfume Tray. So if you guys missed my first video, I'll link it up in the cards. That video pretty much discusses how I plan on doing how I am doing my perfume tray for the year of 2025. I picked out all fragrances that I wanted to meet some type of goal on, which was either to fully finish or get to a certain mark or position on the fragrance bottle. So yeah, if you guys missed that, I talked about my goals in that video. Once again, I'll link it up in the cards. So yeah, this is an update, and I'm gonna share if I reached any goals, and then if I did, I'll be rolling out and choosing another fragrance, and also just sharing which fragrances I used the most, what I enjoyed about it, what I didn't like, as well as like some scent combos that I did. So if you guys are interested, then make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys my tray. One of the fragrances are not on, it doesn't fit on the tray, which is the Toca Isabel. But, oh, it's so big and heavy. I hope I don't drop any of these. This is my fragrance tray right here, just to give y'all a little refresher on what's on the tray. I'm not going to talk about all the fragrance because I didn't use all of the fragrances, to be honest. But I'm going to talk about what I used the most. But first, let's just go ahead and get into the goodness and let you guys know that I did reach a goal. So I will be rolling in another fragrance. I fully finished this Kayali's Wedding Silk Santal. Y'all see it's a little droplet in here left that I cannot get out. Hopefully I can try to get it out. But yeah, you guys, I enjoyed this so much. But let's just go ahead and start with this. I really enjoyed Wedding Silk Santal. As I told you guys before, it's one of my favorite Kayali fragrances. Ooh, yeah, she's sweet. She's creamy. Vanilla. Kind of a little spicy. Just a little. She's a very beautiful fragrance, and I feel like a feminine fragrance as well. And I prefer to wear it in the cooler weather, so I definitely wanted to try to get this done off of my tray, considering I also have another travel size of this and the full size of this fragrance. So I want to let you guys know what scent combos I wore with this. So as far as fragrance, I love wearing Cinnamon Donut Swirl with Kayali's Wedding Silk Santal, and this is Sweet Cinnamon, Brown Sugar, and Fluffy Dough. You guys, oh, I absolutely love this so much. It's not a super heavy scent, so it did not fight with this, but the two together just smelled really, really good. An edible fragrance. I got compliments on this combo. People would walk by my area and say, "Ooh, someone smells so good." So like an indirect compliment. And I knew they were talking about me. But yes, I love it. So that means it projects as well. So that was the day that I was wearing these two, and I feel like it's not an offensive scent, so yeah, I wear it to work as well. But love, love, love that combo. Sometimes I would also use Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Luxe with this, and this is a Rich Marshmallow Vanilla Cashmere, and this is another good one as well. And this kind of has like a little spicy scent to it as well, so I would pair this with Kayali's Wedding Silk Santal. So those were my pretty much go-tos when I wore this. And y'all, so we will be rolling in another fragrance, but we'll do that at the end of the video. Another fragrance that I feel like I've worn a lot that I made a little bit of a bigger dent on is the Laura Mercier Ombre Vanille. I'm actually wearing this today. My goal is to fully finish this bottle, so we're pretty close. So maybe I can have it done by the end of this month, the month of March, because I wouldn't say it's like this to me could be a year-round scent. I used to just wear this to bed because I feel like it was so light. And this fragrance is more like a vanilla, like a feminine floral vanilla, and it has a little bit of musk in it to me. I'm not sure of the notes, and I'm not going to look up any notes. You guys, you know, can look it up if you prefer, but I'm not going to do that in this video. But yeah, I get a floral vanilla musk type of scent. I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite vanilla fragrance in my perfume collection, and that says a lot because I love vanilla. Love this so much. It's just, it's feminine, sexy, and I feel like the longer that I've had it, the stronger that it's actually gotten. So now I actually wear it out. I don't just wear it to bed or in the house, and it projects, and I get compliments on this as well when I use it. So yeah, this is all that I have left, so maybe this will be a rollout in March. We'll see. The next one that I wore quite a bit for January and February is Amazing Grace. This is a travel size. My goal is to completely finish this. This is where I am on this. This just gives me 90s nostalgic type of scent. I don't even know how to describe this scent. I'm not aware of the notes. Not gonna look it up. But it gives me 90s vibes. I know one of my aunts or somebody used to wear this scent, and I just wear this to bed at night. After I shower, I just throw this on. This is not something that I want to wear out, and this is not something that I would repurchase either. Just not my favorite of the Amazing Graces. So yeah, will not get that again. Another one that I'm trying to fully finish is this travel size of the Cocoa Woods, and this is a Nest fragrance. This is a rollerball, and where are we? We are almost done with this, so this should be rolled out in March, at the end of March. We're about right here, and this projects, y'all. This is super strong. I put this on. I wear this again to bed. This is not something that I will wear out. So after I shower, I would put this on and I roll it on like my ankles, my wrists, and this projects. I can smell it still in the morning, and that's literally all that I do. Y'all, I really like this, but I feel like it's not a me type of scent. It's like a woody chocolate scent, but there's no sweetness. It's like a dark chocolate. There's no sugar. There's nothing sweet about this at all, but it's definitely cocoa and woody. So yeah, I feel like it could be unisex, but this is just it's not my type of scent, but I don't mind wearing it to bed. So that's where I've been wearing that and getting a lot of use out of that. What else did I wear, you guys? I wore this a few times, and I told you guys that I absolutely love the Too Faced Better Than Sex bottle. I feel like it's so feminine, womanly, just beautiful. I just love this bottle, and so the scent of it, to me, did not match it, but this is kind of growing on me. I've worn this maybe 2 or 3 times since I've had it on the tray. My goal is just to get it below the little thing right here, so I still got quite a bit to go because you don't need much of this, but you guys, I've really been enjoying this, so hopefully I'm able to reach my goal of this as well. And I have not worn this out. This is another one that I just wear in the house because I haven't been sure whether or not I like it, but we're gonna see. I'll just keep you more updated, but it's growing on me. I'll keep you updated. I believe I wore Black Opium Neon. I think it was just once. I paired it with Amaretto Fizz because this is like a coffee scent. It says almond coffee, orange blossom. So yeah, that's what this scent is by Victoria's Secret, and I paired it with Neon because it once again has another coffee scent. This smells good. It's kind of a little bit of a syrupy version of Black Opium. I like it. I think my goal was to just get to where I can see the liquid, like the glass clear. It's completely full. That was my goal. Still cannot see the liquid, so that'll still be on the tray. And lastly, an update I have for you. I'm only going to update, well, we're going to update 2 more. Mon Guerlain Bloom of Rose. This is the EDT version. I think I wanted to get 1/3 of the way. I feel like I made another little dent. It's not up here anymore. It's like right here on the side now. So I just want to show y'all the dent. And I wore her yesterday because it was nice and warm, and it just felt like a spring day. And this is like the perfect spring fragrance for me. And this is a huge bottle, so yeah, we need to wear her. But I also wore not Mon Guerlain, but Mon Paris by YSL. I believe my goal, I can't remember, I'm gonna have to look. I don't know if it was to get below this or the stripe one. If it's below this, then I'm pretty close, but we'll see. I wore this with another Victoria's Secret. I think it's Pure Seduction Luxe. I don't have it over here. It's on my dresser. I wore it with Pure Seduction Luxe, and that has like strawberry in it, and I believe this has strawberry. I think this is a very womanly fragrance, a more mature smelling scent. I love to wear it with sweaters and stuff like that, so I feel like I need to get some more use of it. And I want to try to wear it in the spring and summer to see if I like it better. We'll see. This is one that I don't really like that much, I will say. I just deal with it. So y'all, that is it for the updates on the fragrances. Those are pretty much the ones that I wore and reached for the most because they're like within the season of cool weather. Now we're just going to roll in another fragrance to take the place of Kayali's Wedding Silk Santal. And I think I'm going to do another travel spray since this one is a travel spray. So in here I have all of my travel sprays. I believe it's all of my travel sprays. We'll see. So let's see. I feel like this is going to be an easy pick for me. I already had an idea of what I wanted to do, and it'll be an easy goal as well. But I'm going to add in Ellis Brooklyn's Sunfruit Travel Spray because I just showed y'all, I don't know which video is coming up first, but in a haul that I hauled the full size of this because it was on sale. So I'm about right here with Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit. I got it last year. Love it, and I love it in the spring and warm weather. Warm weather is coming up, so I'll be able to get some use out of this. So I want to completely finish this. So I feel like that's another easy goal for me to reach, and that'll be added to my tray. So that is it, you guys, for my Rolling Perfume Tray update. This is the February update. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, comment what you guys think down below. I'm really excited with the rolling tray. I think I really like it, and I would like to see other people do it as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.